It's a wonderful day out in the woods, a wonderful day out in the woods. Would you be my range partner? Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It has been a great time out here at the range. The range is beautiful, and I cannot wait to spend the day with you guys. For those of you that have no idea what this intro is about, I am sorry, because you are truly missing out on an icon. But for those of you old enough to get this reference, I hope it made you smile and take you back to your childhood a little bit, because it did me. Anyway, today we're going to be working on our transition drills. I've got 3 targets set up, 2 at the 15 to 18 yard line and 1 at the 7 yard line. And we're going to do some drills transitioning between those, and then we are going to work on some free training, some training that doesn't cost any ammunition, just takes some time and a timer, and we are going to work on reloads. So let's go, guys.
There's only one question to answer.
What's that?
You feel lucky? Well, do ya?
That's
So
funny.
I did it before.
Oh, back to back! Living life on the R5. All right, we're gonna start this drill off. I'm 7 yards away from this target, and we are 15 yards away from the 2 rear targets. Don't mind all the steel. We're not gonna shoot that today, but you probably will hear the steel tinging from the 7 yard target, because it is behind, or it is in front of Fat Albert. So I'm gonna shoot 2, 2, 2. Kind of reassess, and then maybe try to pick up my par times on that. Tell me what drills you guys use to practice, to warm up any drill. Comment below. If it's something that we can use and help better the community, we'll definitely put it on this channel. Let's go see what we got. We got 2 Alpha, 2 Alpha, 2 Charlie. Well, that sucks. I think I just moved a little too far as I was coming across. All right, let's shoot this again. If I had some tape, I could tape those up, but I ain't got no tape. .5. We got 2 Alpha, 2 Alpha, Alpha Charlie. All right, I could have called that Charlie, that's for sure. I felt it. I just swung past too far. We're gonna run that back. You know, one thing I'm learning is how important it is to clean your magazines. I haven't never really experienced that until this 2011 game. Some of the other stuff like the SIGs and the Glocks, I feel like you get a little more leeway in some of those, like the tolerances. But man, some of these matches that we go to, the dirt and the sand just pile in this thing and jam these things up big time. All right, you know what we're not gonna do? We're not gonna break my cardinal rule of putting this magazine back in my mag pouch. I did that the other day. Guess which one I pulled out during the classifier, huh? The classifier. You know what else I just realized? Look at this, look at this. I put my dump pouch upside down. I had to get a smaller belt. Yeah, who puts their dump pouch like this, huh? Oh my goodness, it's ridiculous. Y'all saw it first, I'm an idiot. All right, still not putting it in my magazine pouch. We're putting it in the upside down dump pouch, dang it. Let me put it in there. More difficult than one could realize. All right, it's there, let's go. Three, 3, 2 Alpha, 2 Alpha, Charlie Delta. This one gets worse and worse by the second, huh? We're not gonna make Alpha class shooting like this. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's try it again. Three, 2, 2 Alpha, 2 Alpha, 2 Alpha. Okay, best round yet. Best round yet. That felt good. Line breaker. We got 2 Alpha, line breaker, 2 Charlie. On the opposite side, I felt myself move over. Bro, we're gonna need to practice this a lot. Guys, 90% of our viewers aren't subscribed to our channel. Man, if you hit that button and you just like our video, it helps us in a huge way. YouTube does not like gun tubers, I don't think, because it doesn't show it to hardly anybody. So if you guys wouldn't mind, that helps us in a huge way. It promotes our video out to a wider audience, and it helps us a lot. So thank you. You know those moments you think you're gonna do something that's a great idea in your head, but may not be? That's one of these moments. You are currently nestled in between 2 of my targets, and I'm gonna run this pattern with you looking at me. This may be my last video ever if I shoot this camera, because I guarantee my wife's not gonna fund another one. She does not fund for dumb actions, okay? And I'll have video proof that I was being dumb. See what we got. Oh, Alpha Delta. Strange. 2 Alpha, 2 Alpha. Okay, that felt good. I don't know what happened here. You know what, that might not even be me. That's a staple maybe. Maybe 2 Alpha. I don't know. Let's try one more time. We got enough ammo for one more run, because risking it one time is not enough. 293, by the way. Let's go again. As I load these magazines back up, I figure we might as well chat a little bit. Dude, my wife and I have been dry firing training there in our home in the evenings together, and it has become quite the fun between the 2 of us. She is more competitive than she's willing to let out, and so she's at a disadvantage. I got an MPA with a giant magwell on the end of it, and she is shooting the Staccato HD P4, no magwell. So I'm gonna have to order her one. But her reloads, man, she is keeping up with me, and I don't know if that's kudos on her or embarrassing on my part. But it has been fun. That and so after we get done reload, we normally do a 3-session dry fire practice. We set the timer up on some par times, and we draw, do a trigger press, and it calculates the time. So right now I'm averaging about 1.3. So I need to get that down, and she's averaging about 1.8, and so she's doing great. She has increased her time about a 0.2 of a second or a quarter of a second, just doing the training in the last few days. So it's perfect. I'm hoping that mine picks up some, but whenever I'm drawing, I'm just not finding my dot right away. So I need to work on my presentation. What y'all can't see on the ground is, well, you know what? Scratch that. Look at it. We got a blanket on the ground. Big thanks to my friend, Mr. David, for that one. Because I used to just drop my magazines in the dirt, but I learned through him I don't have to do such a thing. I can be smarter than the average bear. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull our firearm up. We are gonna dry fire practice. The firearm is clear and empty. Matter of fact, I'm aiming downrange at my berm. But we are gonna dry fire pull our trigger. Buzzer goes off, we are going to reload our magazine back on target, dry fire. It's going to continue to do that. This is what my wife and I do. It helps to aim at a point. Right now I'm aiming at my target. Getting back on target. I am noticing some dot bounce. Trying to take that out. That drill right there has helped us tremendously. The second drill we have been doing is the draw and shoot. So requires no magazines, but for this drill we are going to start on safety, hammer back, just draw and dry fire. 159, 151, 152, 148. A good friend of mine told me, he said, Bud, when you're doing dry fire drills, if you were to pretend like you're being suspended from like a puppet man, and that way you're just that relaxed. Just allow your arms to hang freely. Don't be tense. He said, because if you're tight, you have to release the tension in order to make the movement. So if you just start loose, you can draw. And I have noticed that I often start tense and my times are slower than if I just hang my arms. So I'm kind of working on that. And I'm working on trying to focus in on what I'm gonna do. Whether it's shoot the small point on the target, whether my first movement is going to be running to a point, whatever it is, I'm trying to really hone in on that and see that. I'm learning so much from these guys, and I'm just trying to share it with y'all. I don't know where you're at on your competition journey or in your shooting journey, but any of these tips will help you make a better shooter, hopefully. And I have no idea why I have these ears on and yelling at y'all. By the way, I did fix my mag pouch. We are squared away. I am wearing my belt without belt loops. I saw a guy the other day in pajama pants and he had his belt on, and I thought, interesting, comfortable and interesting. And I just kept waiting for his belt to fly up under his armpits, but it never did. So we're trying something else out now too. I'm fully aware that you guys could be doing anything with your day, and yet you chose to spend a few minutes of your day with me. And I thank you for watching my video and spending time with me today. I hope to see you on the next one. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Ha! Target down.